What are you going to do with the money lagi?
My piano.
You want to buy piano? Okay. So how much do you need, man? 2,000? Okay, so I'll give you 2,000, ha? And you order it on Shopee. Okay? The piano. The cheaper one lang. Okay? So I'm giving you 1,000. Another 1,000. So how much you have right now? How much is this?
10,000.
2,000. Okay. Giving you 2,000. Are you gonna buy it? Really? Why do you need piano?
I'm gonna play it.
You're gonna play it like a toy?
Maybe.
Maybe? Or you're gonna use it to practice and learn piano? It's not a